Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple Guide TV. Today, I'm excited to share 3 amazing free alternatives to ElevenLabs that you can use for text-to-speech projects. I'll walk you through how to use each tool step by step, and you'll find all the links in the comments below. Let's jump right in. First up, let's check out Melotts. It's a really straightforward tool. Here's how you use it. Head over to Melotts website, and you'll see options to select your speaker, language, and speed. Just pick what you need, type in the text you want to convert, and hit the Synthesize button. Let's preview it together.
Subscribe to Simple Guide TV.
Sounds pretty good, right? When you're ready, just click here to download your file. Moving on to TTSMaker. This one's also super easy to use. First, go to TTSMaker's site and type in your text. You can choose from a huge variety of languages and voices, so take your time.
TTSMaker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
Once you've selected your voice, type in the CAPTCHA code and click the Convert button. Let's give it a listen.
Subscribe to Simple Guide TV.
That's nice. Finally, let's look at CapCut. Though it's mostly known for video editing, it has a handy text-to-speech feature. Start by creating a new project. Click on Text at the top left and type in your text. Then, select Text-to-Speech and choose your voice.
Subscribe to Simple Guide TV.
When you're ready, click Start Recording to generate your audio.
Subscribe to Simple Guide TV.
Perfect. To save your file, just click Export, give it a name, and make sure the audio checkbox is selected. Hit Export again, and you'll find your audio file in your Videos folder. And that wraps up our video. Those are 3 fantastic free alternatives to ElevenLabs: Melotts, TTSMaker, and CapCut. Make sure to check out the links in the comments to try them out yourself. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Simple Guide TV for more great content. Drop any questions or suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.